Hi everyone, welcome again to YouTube channel. My name is Shubham Y Shah. In today's video, we are going to discuss an amazing opportunity in the data analytics domain where you will be working as a data analyst for this company. Which company is this? Where to apply? How to apply? Who all are eligible? All the things will be covered in today's video. So make sure that you are watching this video till end. If you are visiting our channel and platform for the very first time, I request you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and press the bell icon. You will be getting all the latest video notifications. Hi everyone, welcome again to YouTube channel. As you can see on our screener, we are on the website where we have to seek an amazing opportunity in the domain of data analytics. This opportunity is especially for the Indian audience where the company is specifically targeting the Indian candidates to apply, and it is 100% remote. Means from the comfort of your home you can apply for the opportunity, and if you got fortunately selected for this opportunity, then you can work from the comfort of your home or comfort from your place. KL Discovery, one of the largest national discovery provider, is seeking a data analytics in India. This position add our cyber incident response CIR department. The data analytics will collect, analyze, interpret, and present data-driven insight to help drive informed business decision. So this is the main and primary role of the data analyst. Your insight into data analysis, database management will be pivotal in supporting the CIR department. Remote work from opportunity. Now we will be discussing about the responsibility for this particular opportunity. You have to collect, clean, and validate large data set from various internal and external source. You have to analyze and troubleshoot issue with data loading to identify trends, patterns, and opportunity for improvement. Set up database structure, dashboard, and report using tools like Excel, PR, etc. Data extraction on variety of format. Example of the various format. You have to help in developing and maintaining the data source. Additional responsibility in support of KL discovery cyber practice. Now we will be discussing about the qualification required for this particular opportunity. Bachelor degree with emphasis on programming. Means if you are the student who have pursuing computer science, IT, or software engineering, then you are also welcome, because here programming is needed. Strong analytical thinking and problem solving skill. 2 plus year experience in SQL database, preferably MS SQL require. 2 plus year of script creation troubleshooting experience require. 2 plus year of Excel, VBA, macros, Power Query, regex require. Cyber incident response background is a plus. Here plus me, if you are having, then you will be at the priority, and if you are not having, then also there is no mandatory. If you are interested, then you can apply clicking the button apply now. Once you click the button, then this interface will open. Here you don't need to have an account. For the many of the opportunity which we are posting there, account creation is required, but for this particular opportunity you can also apply for the opportunity without creating a new account. You have to simply enter your email address. Then after questions which is mandatory, like your first name, last name, your qualification, your resume, then you can directly apply for the opportunity. In case you are stucking at any place, or you are having any difficulty or query, you can definitely contact our team. We will be happy to help. Also, if you want personal mentorship from personally me, that is Shubham Shah, then you can definitely book a session. We are providing a link in the description. So after watching this video, you can find out the link along with the application link of this today's opportunity. And once again, I am reminding you that we are already created multiple communities on multiple social media platform. Make sure you are joining and following us and supporting us in this journey. Thank you so much. I will be seeing in the next video with another opportunity very soon. Till then, take care and bye.